Our next guest is with a company that's helping consumers with all kinds of cool electronics, but helping consumers predominantly stay mobile. And we all want to stay mobile for a lot of reasons. The founder and CEO of a company called Anker is Stephen Yang. Stephen, welcome into Tomorrow. How are you?
Thank you, Dave. I'm good. How are you?
Good, thanks. Glad to have you. Tell me first a little bit about Anker, and then we'll get into Power IQ and some of the cool stuff that you guys are doing.
Cool. So at Anker, we would like to help everyone, stay charged and stay powered. So we have a full portfolio of chargers, ranging from external, portable chargers, to the car chargers and the wall chargers, and so they working together to help you to stay, powered all the time.
Stay powered. And now there's a whole lot of them on the market these days, and we talk about a lot of them on the show, and they run the gamut from all sorts of sexy-looking products and fun things and stuff that have a little battery life or a lot of battery life or inexpensive or ungodly, ridiculously expensive. What makes Anker stand apart then? Tell me a little bit about why would I look for your products?
I'd like to say I was a Google engineer before, starting this company.
A Google engineer?
Yes. So really take, the Google, philosophy of eat your own dog food. So build something you'd like to use for yourself.
There you go. So you were thinking there's got to be a better way to stay mobile and be able to charge our devices. So then that sounds like a good segue into Power IQ. So then you've come up with this product. What does it do?
Yep. So did you ever notice some of your USB ports charge your device faster than others?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. So that's because, USB ports are, they're hardwired actually, to speak some language. So the device will recognize and actually know how much power to draw from the charger. And, taking a look at our previous generation of stuff, as you can see, the ports are hardwired to be Apple compatible. And then
now that's clever. I have actually never recalled seeing a device that will do that. I'm looking. First of all, here's the Anker device. There's a normal electric plug. Those of you listening on the radio at the moment, especially if you're driving, have no fear. We've got video of all the radio interviews from CES at intotomorrow.com. Just swing by at your leisure. But here's a USB port that says Android. Here's a USB port that says Apple. Now, they're standard USB ports, but apparently the brains behind the USB ports are more in tune with those kinds of devices then.
So you can get fastest charging speed. And but that's history now. And
so this is what you first came out with. How long ago?
Last year.
Okay.
Yep.
Wow. You make it sound like ancient history. It was just last year, but that's technology, folks. That's how things work along those lines.
Yeah.
So then you've graduated from there to what next?
To Power IQ, which is a new technology actually we're deploying this year. So as you can see from here, Power IQ is actually a smart chip behind every USB port that knows to detect, which device is being plugged in and send the right handshaking signal.
Really? So now it doesn't matter. We don't have to look for Android or Apple or tablet or smartphone. But just plug it in, and your Power IQ is intelligent enough to know what kind of power it needs.
Yep.
And you told me there's a way. Is it this side that I shake, or is it this side? Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Ooh, check it out. If you just shake it, it powers on. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's also our latest generation of the Astro flagship series. So it's a minimalism design, and
So this light now is telling me basically how much power perhaps is available in the device just by shaking it. So starts out solid, and then a couple little LEDs went out to say, okay, I've used a little bit.
We made it to be a little bit intelligent as well. So when the power is full, then it's breathing. When it's discharging, it's breathing slowly. Seems it has
releasing power. It's kind of trickling. The LEDs are getting less and less as you're charging various devices.
And as actually the power depletes, it's breathing faster and faster. It's like a person, right? It's like when it's actually running.
As we get tired, we slow down.
Yeah, totally.
That's very cool. Now, and I'm assuming, because I'm seeing input, which is a standard micro USB.
Yep.
Thank you very much for not being Apple mentality of no, they got to be different plugs than the rest of the universe. And then, of course, standard USB, whatever it is your device uses in that case. And it's going to know, huh?
Yep.
So it's going to know if I put an iPhone or one of my Android devices or a tablet or whatever.
Totally.
And charge appropriately.
A lot of people actually didn't know or didn't realize that if you plug maybe an iPhone into Android plug or vice versa, it's going to take longer to charge. like at least 50% more time.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, because I guess we see the little lightning symbol,
Yes,
and it
yes.
says, "Oh, we're charging, we're happy." But if you glance at it periodically and you say, "Wow, it's taking a longer time than
Yeah.
normal," that might explain it. Now, what's this bigger thing you have
So
here?
it's our Pro series. So we realize people need different chargers in different scenarios. So this one is specifically made for longer trips and also for families.
So it's like the size, if you will, of a small paperback,
Yep.
thinner even.
It's still very convenient and very easy to carry, but this one packs 20,000 milliamp of power. So
20,000 milliamps of power. I'm
Yes,
assuming
yes.
this will charge more than just one phone or one
well,
tablet even.
Well, this will charge your iPhone like 12 times.
Nice.
Yes.
I mean, I'm seeing some of these USB ports are labeled smart, and of course DC output, DC input for their appropriate plugs.
yeah.
What makes them smart? Similar Power IQ technology?
Yes. It's the Power IQ technology standing behind it.
Nice. Now, what do these things sell for? Like in this case, the Astro Pro series from Anker.
It's very affordable. So online, it's $79.99.
Really? And
Yes.
we're going to get that many charges. You said 12 charges of a smartphone typically, and so it'll also charge tablets, whether they're things like an iPad Mini or
Well,
otherwise.
this one even comes with a 12-watt, output, so it will charge some of your camcorders as well.
Oh my God, nice! And for $79, and it's available now.
It is.
Okay.
It
And
is.
what comes on the display?
So
I
if you
don't know
turn
if
it
it's
on,
powered.
Yep.
Where's the power button there? There you go.
It's right here.
And there you go. The display actually says, let me see if I can do it where Chris can see it and not get some glare. It says 88% battery available here. That's awesome. Oh, I'm loving that. Very cool. And of course, we can order them online as well.
Yep, that's actually a specialty of Anker is that we really focus on online channels.
Uh-huh.
So we avoid the markups and always give our customers affordable gear.
Excellent. Well, you want to learn more about Power IQ and all the cool stuff that Stephen and his team are up to, you want to visit them at iAnker, A-N-K-E-R, not like a boat anchor. It's IANKER.com. We'll link you there, too, when you visit us at intotomorrow.com. We'll make it easy. Just click on there, and you'll see the video when you visit intotomorrow.com of Stephen showing these cool products. Thanks so much for joining us. Keep us informed as you come out with new things, and we'll share them with our audience.
Thank you, Dave.
All right, our pleasure. We're back with more from, in this case, the Showstoppers press event as part of one of the special press meetings, if you will, and the ability to show you some more cool stuff as Into Tomorrow continues. I'm Dave Graveline. This is the Advanced Media Network.